We are here at Prestige Worldwide.
The one and only.
The one and only. Coming here to get the what?
Bolts and hose.
Bolts and hose. That's what I'm talking about. We're coming to get the Crown stock, the Crown Vic. You ready?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Well.
Hope you got earplugs for the ride home. That thing is tuned up.
That's what I'm talking about. We're gonna go check it out and see what all you did to it. All right. We got the Crown Vic. So tell us what you had to do.
We had a couple misfires in it. A couple cylinders. It had some bad coil packs. Looked like the original plugs in it, so we changed them. Swapped in that junkyard transmission. Still got a little transmission code in it, but I don't think you need first gear anyway. So
no. Let's hear what she sounds like.
Yeah. Traction control off.
Absolutely.
Because I tried to do a donut in it first. AC work? I didn't check it. But I tried to do a donut in it. I was like, man, this thing's a turd. It wouldn't even go. And I was like, it ain't misfiring or anything. Why ain't got no power? And I just happened to glance down and see that traction control button. I turned it off and should go then. But the traction control
picked up 100 horsepower.
It does work.
Oh, that's funny.
About the spotlight. You know that?
No, it didn't work. I tried it too. Yeah. I tried to pull my neighbor over, but he wasn't convinced.
That's funny. Well, I guess we're about to haul butt down the road and see if we can wake everybody up today.
All right, man. Well, good luck to y'all. Hopefully put her in victory lane when she's ready to go.
Oh, yeah, we're going to find out. You got to come, too.
Oh, I'll come. I actually want to come watch y'all and get into the asphalt stuff more. I've been to a couple races over there, and they were fun to watch. So the Crown Vics actually roll out over there.
They were getting down pretty good.
They get down, so be ready for them. A couple of them are fast.
Oh, yeah.
So we got the car. Tyson's passed out in the back seat. We're headed to the shop with it. Start the tear down process and see how far we get. You're not asleep? You're not asleep? I thought you was asleep. Oh, you're just very quiet? That's funny. But there she is. Hammering down. A lot better than whenever we tried to drive it up here. We broke down about halfway. Had to tow her the rest of the way. We're about to roll up at FFR headquarters. Skyler Fleming is a dealer for the Dixon cages. We bought a cage through Skyler for our Crown Vic project for Dusty's car. So we're about to pull up and see what they got going on. There's the man, the myth, the legend, hiding behind that pole, coming to open the gate for us. All right, we made it here.
I'm not rude anymore. I'm sorry, I was on the phone.
Yeah, okay.
With Dad.
Okay. How'd you get supplies, huh?
Yeah.
Let's
just say we've learned. This is old Larry Dickinson himself, so all the way from Minnesota, we've learned what we've been doing wrong for a while. But we're still learning, so that's all a part of it, right? If you stop learning, you're dead.
That's right. They're about to get you breakfast.
Yeah, I know. But thanks for supporting us, man.
Oh, yeah.
We are sad that you're going asphalt. We're going asphalt racing now. I gotta be honest.
That's all right. I've heard that.
Asphalt racing?
Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm trying to.
He's got him an outlaw. Yeah. So.
We'll see how it goes.
Since outlaw shut down, he just went and got him an outlaw.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So Crown Vic racing, right? I know you probably jump in it.
Yeah, I'm gonna play in it, but a buddy of mine got that Crown Vic, so. We saw the Dickens cage on Facebook, and then I noticed that Skyler was talking about him, so I called Skyler up and said, what I got to do to get one? So we ordered it.
Here we are.
When I show up, the man is here that builds them.
The man that builds them. But like Ronnie just said, I am a dealer for Larry Dickinson cages, and so we're actually, as we speak, y'all are seeing the behind the scenes. We're actually filming a how to install series for my channel.
So you heard it here first.
Yeah, you're gonna hear it on Ronnie's channel first, but
Before you hear it on ours.
That's right.
So it'll take me a little bit of time to edit, but we appreciate you supporting Larry, who's helping me.
Oh, yeah.
So that's the goal. We're trying to grow Larry. So if anybody on this channel, Crown Vic, front wheel drive, racks for your trailers, tire racks, bumper kits, anything, that man right there is envisioning it.
Yep. We'll try to put a link on the description where you can go right to his page.
Perfect.
All right, so we made it back to the shop. This is the day after I went and picked that stuff up from Skyler, the cage. So we got the main rear loop sitting right here with a few bars already tack welded in. I want to say that's the halo. Not exactly sure, but I'm pretty sure that's it. And everything else is over here. Got to clean up still, don't mind that dirt. But everything we need, door bars, crossbars, the whole shebang is right there. So between that and that, we'll have a cage for the Crown Vic. I have been working on this. I'm making a little bit more progress. Got the left side on it. Still got to do the right side and a few other little things. It's the old quarter panel back there, but we're making some good progress. But I want to just take a second and say that I really appreciate y'all. Really appreciate y'all subscribing and watching. We just hit 2,500 subscribers, which is really cool. I never thought I would even get that far. I was figured when I started I'd be lucky to get to 1,000, and we've surpassed double that. So hopefully it keeps growing. Maybe I'll reach another fan base or another group of people with the with the asphalt stuff. My whole house is sick right now. I'm sick. My nose is stopped up. But thanks for watching. Keep hitting that subscribe button. And this is the first video along the Crown Vic. So I don't know, we'll have plenty more. Dusty's getting the interior ripped out of the Crown Vic right now, and he's gonna bring it over and we'll start welding that Dixon cage in it, and we'll video it all and see how it goes, and we'll see how Dusty does for his first night out. Hell, first laps. I don't think he's ever, or I didn't think he raced anything, but I do remember, man, he did race go-karts with me a long time ago. When I was like 8 or 9 years old. I think him and his brother raced for about a year before he got out of it. But like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate y'all watching.